Hello, so today we're going to be going over my prototype. I did a redesign of an app called YesStyle, which is an online fashion application. So we start at the home page and we have some options of what to do. We can look through these pictures and we can see the different things that are on sale and the different advertisements. So once we go through those, we'll start on our first task. We are trying to find a puffer coat. So if we're looking for a puffer coat, we'll first go to the shop tab, and you'll see that there are some more options up here to look at different pictures. But we're looking for the puffer coat, so we're going to scroll down to the tab called Women. We're going to click it, and one of the redesigns that I did was this page was not alphabetically organized, and I thought that it would work a lot better if it was alphabetically organized. It was like 90% alphabetically organized, but a few of the categories were at the bottom and weren't in order, so I fixed that up. The next step that we're going to do is we're going to hit coats and jackets because we're looking for the puffer coat. And then once we are at coats and jackets, we are going to go to coats. And once we're at coats, we can go to puffer coats. And we have a couple of options of different puffer coats that we can choose from, but we're just going to go with this one. So let's click it. So now that we have this puffer coat, there are a couple different options on how to do the next task. So the next task is selecting an item, which we just did, selecting a size for that item, and adding it to your bag. So we can currently do this by clicking select your size or color, and let's say we pick the black small. We're going to add it to the bag, and then it shows here that we have added it to our bag, and we can view it in our bag, so it will take you to the shopping bag. But if you'd like to do it a different way, you can also go to your saved. You can see that we had this item already saved. So you can go from your saved items to the item, then select your size, add it to your bag, and view it in your bag. So now we're going to move on to the next task, which is to begin the checkout process from your shopping bag. This whole page, the shopping bag page, I redid completely because the layout of the page just was not very user-friendly and it was very confusing. The layout was not great, so I redesigned this entirely. And to begin the checkout process, we are going to click checkout, and we'll see that we weren't signed in, so we can sign in. And after we're here, we would continue to the checkout. However, I didn't go any further than this because I was just focusing on the main objectives of the app. So if we go back, we can also see that we have another tab we haven't explored yet, and that is the account tab. So once we go here, we can see all of this information, the different categories of the account section that you can use to complete your tasks. And it is also important to acknowledge that all of these bottom tab options will work no matter what page you're on. So if you are, let's say you are on the coats page. If you're on the coats page and you suddenly want to go check your bag, you can just go to the bag feature, and this works for all of them. If I'm on the bag, I can go to shop. If I'm on home, I can click on the pictures to see different ones, but I can also go to account. So it's pretty much set up as the app is, where the main functions of the app that I considered important enough to add to this prototype were all of the tabs down here and some of the main features of the tabs. So that is my explanation of my prototype. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.